Moorbacher to take the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. And in turn, I challenge Karen Shoemaker Durbin, Rich Tredinnick, and Courtney Walkner.
I didn't realize I had to say who I was going to challenge. I'll tag you later if I'm going to challenge you. I was challenged to take the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by Holly Sovereign Tredinnick as well as Phil Courtney. And I do this for my cousin Carol and everyone else who has been stricken by this disease to a cure. Cheers!
Hit me with your best shot. Why don't you hit me